Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides with dx. Next, we need to open the brackets. Next, we divide both sides with x. Now, I need to use about Bernoulli Equation. So I will put about v equals to y over x. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dv over dx. We know that y over x that is equals to y multiplied by 1 over x. So if we do first derivative, you got about first derivative of y multiplied by 1 over x. Later that we do first derivative of 1 over x multiplied by y. So this one we got about dy over dx. I forget x in here. So this one we got about negative 1 over x squared. So if we look carefully about this one, we see that if we put negative for the both sides, you will got about negative dv over dx equals to y over x squared minus dy over dx, and we have x in here. So y over x we change for v, and this one we change for negative dv over dx. Next, we put this one go to the right, and you got about positive. Dx will go to the left. 1 plus sine v squared will go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate about this one. We need to divide both numerator and denominator by sine v squared. This one multiplied by number 1 and sine v squared, and you will got like this. And this one we change for number 1, and this one we change for cosine v squared plus 1, and this one we change for cosecant of v squared. 1 plus 1 is about 2. Now in this situation I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine v du. You got about negative cosecant of v square dv. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. So this one we change for negative du. This one we change for u square. And now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 2 tan t. Because if we put this one go in here, you got about 2 tan t square. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square. Du we got about secant of t square in here. And then we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. So you got about du equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So we put this one go in here. Du we change for this one. So this one we change for 2 tan t square. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. And this one we change for secant of t square. We simplify on numerator and denominator, and you got about the square root of number 2 over 2. And this one you got about dt, and we got the final answer. About t, that's about this one. So we divide both sides with the square root of number 2. And we got about t equals to tan of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. About u, that's about this one. So now we need to return back from here. So the integral of the s we got about s. The integral of this one we got about this one. About v, we need to change back for this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.